Welcome to the Jungling Challenge! The hunting knife increases damage against monsters and grants extra EXP. Now, begin the Jungling Challenge with me, Yen. The Azure Golem is an important monster. Its power allows you to sustain longer.
Fighting is my only solace.
Way to go! On to the next objective. Each team's jungle has 7 monster spawn locations. This is the optimal jungling path that starts at the Azure Golem.
Is it me, or has the world gone crazy? Madness makes life worthwhile.
The Crimson Golem is another important monster whose power increases your damage.
Insanity.
Way to go! On to the next objective. Jungling heroes level up the fastest. Go to the closest lane and assist your teammates. First blood! Attack the marker!
I didn't mean to.
You have slain an Way to go! On to the next objective. Slaying the tyrant will provide your team with its power, giving you a major advantage.
Stop me! I beg you, stop me! Madness makes life.
Way to go! On to the next objective. Defeat monsters to earn gold and EXP, or help out your teammates by ganking. An ally has been slain.
Fighting is my only solace.
You have slain an enemy. An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Double kill.
Complete insanity. Madness makes life worthwhile.
An ally has been slain.
Complete insanity. Madness makes life
An ally has been
worthwhile.
slain.
Complete insanity.
Killing spree. Well done. You've completed all the objectives. Victory!